How to remove debit or credit card on Temu app. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Temu, or you can move into any of the web browser and head over to the official website of Temu. Once you're in here, enter your login credentials and log in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now all you gotta do is click on this profile icon at the very top right corner of the screen, and then head over to Settings. Inside Settings, you have to move into your payment methods. Now in this page, if you have added your credit or debit card, then it will be available to you in this page. If available, simply click on the debit or credit card that you want to remove. Once clicked on it, at the bottom you will be able to see the option of Remove. Tap on Remove and then click on Confirm. Once done, your debit or credit card will be removed and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.